Motors is a company that was built on the promise of changing the way that you move. And that's all of you, that's all of us. And I think what you see beside me is the first effort in fundamentally disrupting the energy intensity in manufacturing. I'll make a stark statement. This car, this vehicle, is not about the powertrain. It's about the process. And we spend so much time thinking about miles per gallon and much less time thinking about the energy intensity in the way in which we manufacture and how that empowers change. So we have to challenge manufacturing. And that was the goal that I left the Marine Corps trying to do, was to come in and say, is it possible to make manufacturing happen different, happen faster, and to empower technology? We all know that the cell phone is on a 6-month time scale. You can get a new one every 6 months with a new piece of technology. Why is it that we're on a 6-year time scale with vehicles? It's unacceptable, and it needs to change. When you're constantly moving 20,000 parts around in a car, we wanted to reduce that complexity, and we wanted to put it down from 20,000 parts down through 5,000 parts, all the way down to 50 parts. There are 49 parts in this car. That's an amazing accomplishment, but what it really means is it means that it's more simple to produce, and therefore there's less moving around, and it has a great chance to be much less energy intense. The other thing about this type of vehicle is that it is recyclable. In a way, many of our vehicles today are recyclable, but from a point of view of a customer, being able to go in and say, I don't like the way my vehicle looks anymore, and trade in their car and remove the components and put on new components when their family grows by 1 or 2 or 4, God forbid the quadruplets. And so to be able to do that has never been done before. And it took changing the process of the way in which we design, build, and sell. So from a micro level, bringing a new vehicle industry to the market was what my passion was about. And I was able to do it with a community of people all over the world. So Local Motors was based on the promise of co-designing or co-creating with the community around the world. We have over 100,000 community members in 130 countries. The designer of this vehicle is an Italian young man named Michele Anoe. He came to the United States for the first time to see this unveiled in Chicago last week. It was an amazing moment for him, and the first thing he said was, if Americans can put a man on the moon, Americans can be the first people to digitally manufacture.